In this video, I am showing you how you can fix WhatsApp video call not working. So firstly, what you need to do is you have to update your WhatsApp app. So there is reason that if your WhatsApp is from the older version, then it will not work in the video call. So if you have not updated your WhatsApp for the long time, so you have to update your WhatsApp due to the WhatsApp is updating each apps in the couple of days, so you have to update it. So firstly open the Play Store or App Store, and then you have to search for the WhatsApp, and when you find the WhatsApp update, then you can update the WhatsApp app. And now the second way is you can simply if you don't give the WhatsApp access to microphone and camera, as it is the very important in the video call, so you have to give access the WhatsApp to the video call. So firstly what you need to do is you have to open your device settings, scroll down, and then tap on the apps, and then tap on the manage apps, and from here you have to search for the WhatsApp like this, and then search it. So here what you can do is you have to go to the app permissions, and then give WhatsApp all the permissions. So you can give simply open all this permission, then you can tap on the allow. So you have to give the WhatsApp all these permissions which is necessary for the app to work while the video calling. So after doing these things, when you open the WhatsApp, then if it is not still working, then what you can do from here is you have to open the WhatsApp Messenger app again, and then you can uninstall it and then reinstall it. So hope it will fix this problem. So that's it, at how you can fix the WhatsApp video call not working. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.